Hi, this is Jeremy from Shine Insurance, and we're here to talk about gap coverage. Gap coverage is really for folks who are buying new cars or cars that are close to new. Oftentimes, if you look at your insurance policy, you'll see it called auto loan lease coverage. This is coverage for the gap between what you would get paid in a total loss on your vehicle and what you have in your loan. So let's imagine you purchased a $30,000 brand new car. You drove that car off the lot, and 6 months later, you got in an accident that totaled the vehicle. You may have a loan that's worth more than the value of your car. So let's say when the adjuster comes out and gives you the total value of your vehicle, they say it's worth $22,000. Your loan is still for $29,000. You have a $7,000 gap between the check that the insurance company is going to write you and what you still owe on the loan on your car. If you don't have gap coverage or auto loan lease coverage, you'll have to pay that $7,000 out of your pocket. If you have gap coverage, the insurance company will write a check for that $7,000 on top of what they paid out on your totaled vehicle. So wondering what you should do? Well, I'd go to kellybluebook.com and find out the trade-in value on your vehicle. Not the retail value, the trade-in value. That's going to give you a ballpark idea of what an adjuster would give you if your car was totaled. Take that number and then look at the loan that you have and see if they match each other. If your loan is less than that trade-in value, you may be okay without gap coverage. If your loan is much more than that trade-in value, then gap coverage is something you should consider. Have more questions about insurance? We'd love to have you at shineinsurance.com. Check out our blog, sign up for our e-newsletter, and join us in any of the forums that we come out on. Hope we brought you a little bit of peace of mind and changed the way you feel about insurance. Until the next time, have a wonderful day.